Hello, friends. Today we will discuss a topic of economics, that is shoe leather cost. Shoe leather cost refers to the cost of time, effort, and inconvenience that people face when they try to avoid holding cash during the periods of high inflation. The term comes from the idea that people wear out their shoes by making frequent visits to the bank to withdraw money instead of holding cash that is losing value quickly. What does it mean? It means people deposit their money during high inflation in the bank, and for their requirement they frequently visit to bank to withdraw money, and thereby making their shoes to wear out. It is a phrase. In inflationary situations, people try to minimize the amount of cash they hold because cash loses purchasing power due to high prices. Money loses its real value. They prefer to keep their money in interest bearing accounts or assets rather than holding cash. For example, suppose inflation in an economy rises to 20% per year. If one keeps rupees 10,000 in cash at home, after a year it would buy much less. To avoid this loss, one starts frequently visiting the bank to withdraw only the cash one needs for a short period, not all the money, keeping the rest in an interest earning deposit. This involves time, effort, and possibly transport cost. All these are part of the shoe leather cost. So, key points of shoe leather costs are: first is higher inflation, higher the shoe leather cost. Includes effort, time, and even real costs like transport. The term is metaphorical. It does not literally mean only shoe wear out, but overall effort to avoid inflation losses. More inflation is equal to more trips to bank is equal to more effort, and inconvenience is equal to shoe leather cost.